Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have seen inheritance concept in Python. Inheritance is basically what? Where one class inheriting all the properties and methods of another class. So, which one is another? Which one is current one? So, base class is nothing but a class from where one class can inherit properties of that particular class, called as base class, or you can call it as a parent class. And a class which inherits properties from that base class or from that parent class is called as child class, or you can also call it as derived class. सो पेरेंट्स से जो भी मेथड्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज़ है वो इनहेरिट करके दूसरे क्लास में लिखेंगे, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट एन चाइल्ड क्लास. एंड कहाँ से इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं? तो पेरेंट क्लास से कर रहे हैं, तो उसको ही बोलेंगे पेरेंट क्लास. और बेस क्लास किस में रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं? चाइल्ड क्लास में, उसको ही बोलेंगे डिराइव क्लास. सो इनहेरिटेंस इज बेसिकली व्हाट? इट मीन्स इनहेरिटिंग methods and properties of a base class into the child class. Now, we have seen how to create a class, how to create a, so same syntax is for creating a parent class, or same syntax is for creating a child class. Creation of class is class followed by name of a class followed by colon. So here in this example it is a class, name of a class is a person followed by colon. Then in it, as you all know, it is an inbuilt method of Python which you can give two parameters, three parameters, one parameter choice is yours, parameter choice is yours. Self is an default one. Self refers to the current instance of an object. So same wise we can create a child class which inherits the properties of base class. So syntax is for same, only the change here it is. Now child class is accessing or inheriting properties of a base class. So we need to mention child class name as well as base class name also. So syntax is class followed by name of a child class, that is a student. In parenthesis we have to mention the base class from where the student class is being inherited. So student class is being inheriting the properties of a base class called as person and followed by colon. Now here pass keyword is used because child class student don't have any properties and methods of a class, because it is using method and properties of a person class. Okay, so that's why pass is written. If you don't want to write pass, you can define method and properties into the child class called as student. So let's see one example for this. Let's go to this compiler. First create firstly we will create one parent class, then child class will inherit the properties of a parent class. So start with keyword as class. Parent class is, suppose if it is animal, followed by colon. So this class, suppose this class have printf statement. This is a class, so if that class have one method, no method, only self, so where we can give sorry, class animal followed by colon, and this class have one method. How to define a now function? Followed by start with def keyword, then name of a function. Suppose name of a function is speaking, and in parenthesis we can give any of the parenthesis. Now it is a default one itself. and I am just printing the statement as this speaking method have printf statement called as speaking. Okay, so this is how we have created parent class called as animal. Now we have to create one child class. Now how to create a child class? Same way we have created parent class. Starts with a class followed by name of a child class. Suppose name of child class is dog, and now this dog inheriting properties of a base class. So in parenthesis we have to mention base class name. So base class name is animal followed by colon. Now suppose this dog have one function called as barking, which has parameter, and we can print here it is suppose barking. See, now this dog is an child class, animal is an parent class. So dog has inherited properties of a parent class called as animal. So animal class have method function called as speaking. So that is being inherited in this child class, that is dog. So dog में अभी two functions हो गए. One is inherited from the animal, that is speaking, and dog के लिए dog class का खुद का एक function है barking. ठीक है. Now how do we print this speaking and barking हमें print करना है. This is how we have only seen now how we have created this parent class and child class. Now dog में ही parent का भी properties है, चाहे dog का खुद का भी functions है, method properties है. Now जिसमें दोनों का भी properties है उसको ही हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे, उसका ही क्या बनाएंगे, object बनाएंगे. So dog का object कैसे बनाएंगे? Then we have seen how to create an object of a class. So name of variable, suppose if it is a d, which is equal to class name, that is dog. This is how we can create object of a class. Now we can access this object, that is d dot. We just only need to mention barking. When we give this barking, it will call the barking function and it will print barking. Okay, and by using same d dot speaking, this is also gets called by using object of a dog only, because dog contains method and properties of animal. Okay, when we run it, देखो what we got, barking, and second one is speaking. Because and we have you observed, we have created object of a dog. डॉग का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है एंड उसमें ही हम लोग ने दोनों मेथड्स को कॉल किया है, जो कि वन इज़ इन चाइल्ड क्लास कॉल्ड एज डॉग एंड स्पीकिंग इज़ इन एनिमल क्लास में है. But how this is being possible? Because we have created an object of a class and this dog contains properties of a base class. Suppose if we have one more function, one more class, one more base class, suppose we have, हमारे पास और एक class है called as dog child. Okay, and this dog child have parameter as self, एक ही दे रही हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं दे रही हूँ उसमें. Then suppose if it has method called as eating method is there, and this in this eating, suppose parameter itself. Okay, Now in this eating, we just have to print a statement called as eating. Okay, now dog child. नाउ हम लोगों ने सिर्फ एक क्लास क्रिएट किया है, चाइल्ड क्लास, बट चाइल्ड क्लास में विच एक्सेस द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ अ बेस क्लास. अभी बेस क्लास कौन सा है? बेस क्लास इज़ एनिमल. अगर एनिमल को इनहेरिट करेंगे डॉग चाइल्ड में तो सिर्फ एनिमल का प्रॉपर्टीज़ आएगा, डॉग का नहीं आएगा. जबकि डॉग अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे डॉग, DOG, तो क्या होगा? डॉग में एनिमल का भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, खुद में डॉग का खुद का भी है, इसलिए हम लोग इनहेरिट करते टाइम डॉग लिखेंगे. नाउ हियर ऑब्जेक्ट किसका बनाएंगे? नाउ वी नीड टू चेंज. हियर इट शुड बी डॉग चाइल्ड. डॉग चाइल्ड का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे एंड उसमें जितना भी मेथड से उसको कॉल करेंगे. नाउ D.eating इज मेथड एज वेल. सी, जिसमें सबका प्रॉपर्टीज़ है उसका ऑब्जेक्ट हम लोग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, तो वो उससे हम लोग सब एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. अभी डॉग चाइल्ड में अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ एनिमल लिखा होता तो फिर हम लोग वी कांट प्रोसीड विद दिस बार्किंग. D.barking लिखेंगे तो एरर आएगा. से व्हेन वी रन ईटिंग, बार्किंग एंड स्पीकिंग. So this is how inheritance works in this Python. I hope you have cleared with this example. So that's enough for today. For the further topics, we will see in our live lecture. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.